everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we'll learn how to create a simple cutting and pasting fish. So it's a very simple art which we learn with an A4 size sheet and how to create this beautiful fish. To start with it, we require two A4 size sheets of any two different colors. I'm taking blue and pink here. And we need a marker, a scissor, fevicol and two small pieces of paper, red and white. White to make the eye and red to make the smiley. So be ready with all the material and let's start. Now before we start, if you are new to the channel, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's start. Now the first step is we have to make a shape of a fish. So to start with it, what we'll do is, now we have to make both the fishes exactly similar, right? To start with it, what we'll do is we'll start to make a shape of a fish. We'll make a big fish on the whole page. So I'm making a shape for the fish. So this is the basic outline of the fish. Now what I will do is, on one fish I will make the, now what we'll do is we'll first crush this paper. We have to just crush this paper and we'll open it and we get this texture of this crushed paper. We got this texture. Now what we'll do is we'll first cut this and then we will trace it on the next paper. Okay, so let's start. Now what we'll do is we will trace the same thing on the other paper, okay, and we will get the similar shape. So what we'll do is, the first step is we will just trace it so that both our fishes are of same size. That's why. So it's very important that we have to trace it. Otherwise we cannot make the similar patterns and similar designs. We'll outline it with a marker. Now again the similar step, we'll crush it. And then we got the texture. Now again we'll cut this. Don't throw these papers, we need a little bit out of it. Now what we'll do is, we have our first set and the second set. Now they are all exactly same because we have traced it. Now what we'll do is, the one on which we have created the whole pattern, we'll just cut this design. And we'll also cut these fins. So what we got is, we got two shapes like this. One is this of the fish and the second one is the inner part of the fish. So what I'll do is, I'll paste it here. Sorry. I'll paste it here. I'll apply the fevicol. Now what we'll do is, on a white sheet, we'll make a circle and we'll cut that circle. We'll paste it here, the eye. We'll make, with the help of a marker, I'll make one more circle. I have to leave one white space. So I'll make one more circle inside. And for here what we'll do is, we'll make a small smiley on a red paper and we'll cut that. And with the crushed blue paper which we had, what we'll do is we'll make this wing of our fish. So what we'll do is we'll make a shape like this, and we'll cut that. For the final touches, what we'll do is, with the help of the marker, I'll just add this and we'll make some rough lines. And a cute little fish is ready. I hope you all enjoyed making it. Do share it on our Insta and Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't done it till now. Bye everyone. Take care, stay happy and stay safe. And yes, of course, don't forget to ring the bell icon. For all the latest updates, just press it. Bye everyone. Take care, stay happy and stay safe.